Yeah. Beautiful day today in DALIAN. Blue skies, palm trees.
Hey.
Yesterday was 1 degree Fahrenheit. So we're taking you guys today to a hot spring in Jinshitan. It's gonna take us a little while to get there. It's about an hour away on the train. We're gonna meet some friends at the station.
Yep.
And then we'll be on our way.
And it's our first time
in
the winter.
It's our first time going to an outdoor hot spring in the wintertime. So let's meet some friends and let's see where we go from there. Made it to the train station. On the way to Jinshitan, it's gonna take us like an hour. We are here, going here. We made it to Jinshitan. If you guys can see over here, we have a big ass building in the way. But they got roller coasters out there. We're gonna take you guys up and show you guys a better view. Yeah, we made it through the train. Put it in, Bonita. Got a little stuck there, huh? First time out here, that happened to me too. Welcome to Jinshitan. Here we have some roller coasters. Maybe we'll go there one day in the summertime. If y'all get this video to 20 likes, we'll definitely go to there. No, 50 likes, we'll definitely go.
Where is the noodle place?
Noodle place is right over here. Gav is hungry and shit.
Yeah, I'm speaking for everyone, I think.
made it to the hot springs, man. This is the building. It's called Etang Ocean. Yeah, I just want to drink and smoke and chill, dog.
This is the weather today. 20 degrees. Feels like 14. Too cold outside, man. Too cold.
微信，
我有钱，我有钱。
钱不行，你先给他吧，让他给你扫。
不要，没有微信。
She act like she don't even know what she's doing, son.
先那边拿出。
Now they let other people in. We still sitting over here waiting.
你进门左拐啊。
Finally got it after 30 hours later.
All right.
Ah,
Panic. She didn't know what to do.
she literally panicked.
Now we'll never forget this. This will be on the YouTube video. Please.
Oh, shit.
If you want to change your shoes, regular people, you change your shoes in life. Yeah. But if you VIP, you change your shoes in the dark.
This is really nice. $62.13. Look at this locker. Not fancy at all. They gave us these little ass lockers, so we about to get new ones. Cause that's just ridiculous. We paid too much money to be having some rinky-dink little locker. Shit. Let's go. Try this again. It's so cold. Oh my god. Oh. So cold. Manita. Girl. We come.
Demi says I'm not Russian.
Oh my god. Yo, where y'all at? Yo, where y'all at? Yo. Y'all man. Oh, it's good. Look at this. Bonita! Oh my god. Is this real life? Oh. Oh my feet cold.
No, it's not.
Man, I'm gonna let you decide for yourself.
I'm sweating.
I don't know how Giz did it.
This is weird, son. This is weird.
Hey, you know what you should do? You should put the phone right there to the time. Like no diving. I was like, man, I'm a master diver.
Man, 3 feet don't so
When I tell you I dove in that joint,
I know.
I was like waiting for my hands to hit the bottom because I knew they would like, if they did hit the bottom, I would just curve and come up. My hands hit the bottom so quick, son, then it was my forehead, then it was my nose, then it was my lips, then it was my chest. I just had a mark like here.
My cousin broke his teeth like this. Half of it. Like back home, we would get out from a sauna and we'll jump in the snow.
Really?
Yeah, and it goes like your body gets stick to the snow and you stand up and you don't feel much for 10 minutes.
Alright, so we had to come inside. Sorry for the lack of footage outside. It was so cold outside. I mean, like literally, like getting in and out of these hot springs. It was so cold. It was hard to get the camera out. Don't want to sound like we're complaining nothing, but really, man, it's that cold.
Numb cold. Are we going to the shower or are we going to the sauna?
We're supposed to be going to the saunas, but we got to meet everybody at 7 p.m. 6:26 right now. Got lost looking for the locker rooms. Found the kiddie pool. We're on our way to the second floor. See if we can find a sauna, but we're going down though. This can't be it, can it? I'm gonna go back and just take a shower and say fuck everything, so. Take a warm shower.
Ready to take a shower. I wish I could take a shower too.
Oh, you should be waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, you over here moaning. So humid in here. Come on, let's go. Walk me in there. I'm gonna act like a lady.
Alright, y'all, so we just changed up into our spa clothes. Look at us. We cute.
GoPro video mode.
So we
GoPro start video.
Out this luxury place. It's like being a resort kind of thing. And it's in the same place as the hot spring.
Yeah. So we're getting ready to walk around and see what they got. I know they got a buffet in here, but we probably don't eat much in there.
Yeah.
But hey, let's stay positive, see if they bring us something.
I know, right?
Now I should have kept my bench. Ditch that junk.
I know.
You go to the buffet, look at that junk.
Oh. Look at that.
You can sit down and have a whole meal comfortable.
I know.
你有炒面吗？
面条是吗？
冷面、炒面？
没有。
没有。So no noodles.
No
Alright, meat
noodles.
fish spot. This looks like, damn, that's all like sweet. Let's go over
Yeah,
there.
this is fun. I feel like we're really on vacation. Like we ain't been on vacation since our honeymoon. Wow.
See, look, I translated this. This said the last train is at 21:20 from Jinshitan. That's later than 7.
That is.
So I'm saying, let's stay in this joint.
I know.
We was outside in the hot springs.
If y'all don't know, we bougie on the low. Like
I mean, it's just
we
been a
like
minute.
luxury stuff.
It's just been a minute since we've been on vacation. We can do both though.
Yeah.
When we went to Hong Kong, man, we was in a small little hostel joint, and then the next day or that evening, we was in a fancy hotel. Sleeping. Chill spot, son.
Chill.
Let's walk through real quick. Going up. Is your towel? Ew, girl, get off that dirty ass towel. Try to look cute with somebody else's dirty towel. Huh?
I thought they had towels for sanitary.
Yeah, okay. No.
I know, man. I know.
When I was in the hot springs, all I wanted to do was lay down. They on beds here. Man, son. We're gonna have to go back there, bro. We're gonna have to go back there. This joint's nice, son. T-Bar Lounge Bar. Card area. KTV. Let's see. KTV. Whoa. Here you go. Oh, these beds. Oh, these are KTV rooms.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, what's a KTV room?
This joint is lit.
See, they got the couch, TV, disco ball.
If y'all don't know, this is their shit.
KTV is there, definitely this.
They love it.
Alright.
Trying new things with baby.
I'm not. Look, where's the sauna at? Whoa. It's right to kids. Found it. Watch your step. Whoa. Chromatic color pattern.
Based on the ancient Indian healthy physical therapy, the color of energy is absorbed by cells before affecting the whole body. For treating insomnia, just like the sauna at home. That was rare wine. This is love, girl. This is what you call vacation. Spa day. Babe, it's other rooms. It's other rooms. Come. This is. Yes. Yes. That's what I'm telling you. We are straight relaxing. Like, this is vacation mode.
I knew y'all were somewhere over here.
Oh, man. We low-key just came up on the gym.
And the whole package was only what? $168.
Like $20, $25.
Can't beat that. Alright, we about to go see what the next room hitting for.
Just went down there, took an amazing shower with some shampoo from them.
Yeah, I know. Put some lotion on from there.
Now we gotta find some food, man. But all in all, man, this was a nice little vacation, man.
Really nice time. Really nice time.
Nice, man. Look at this view we about to go out here now. Rear camera.
See y'all in the next video. Together, not divided. Together, not divided. Peace.
Вы что, гоните? Что происходит вообще? Блядь. Я говорю, какое-то ебаное место. Ох, сколько у них мата будет в их влогах русского мата. Просто было тренажер.